This guy has an unbelievably cool way of cooking using his excavator. First, he makes sure the cooking pot is completely free of mud and dirt. Then he lights a wood fire to heat the water. As you can see, the amount of food he prepares is enormous, meaning this pot is perfect for cooking such a large quantity. If you're wondering why he's cooking so much, the result will blow your mind. After preparing the ingredients, he carefully places them into his beloved pot. He doesn't forget to add his special spices and shake the pot to ensure everything cooks perfectly. Then he adds the main ingredient, a giant meatball. Once the food is cooked to perfection, he tastes it to make sure it's just right. And here's the amazing part. He cooks all this food to share it with the local community, feeding those who are hungry and in need. If you think his cooking method is incredible, subscribe.